Good morning, class. So before we start, let us put ourselves into the holy presence of God and let us bow down our heads together. Amen. So before you take your seat, please pick up pieces of papers under your chairs, at your back. Kindly please put it inside the garbage bin. And now, I want you to sit properly so that we can start our lesson. So, before we proceed, let me check your attendance first. And please raise your right hand. Where's your right hand? Okay? And say present if your name is called. Bakulyo.
Present.
Maniskan. Okay, thank you. So, can you still remember what is our lesson yesterday? Yes, Junel?
Our lesson yesterday, teacher, is all about parts of the plants.
Very good. So, Ruchel, can you give one part of the plant? Very good. Leaves. Yes, Hazel? Very good. Stem. Yes, Mayfield? Roots. Very good. So now, is plants important to us humans? Yes, it is very important because as we all know, plants is the source of our oxygen. Okay. I have a question. Which body part do you use to hear? Yes, Junel? Okay, very good. We use our ears. Okay. Everybody stand because we will sing a song together. Okay. I will perform it first. So the song goes like this. My eyes, my nose, my mouth and my ears. My eyes, my nose, my mouth and my ears. Okay, all together. My eyes, my nose, my mouth and my ears. My eyes, my nose, my mouth and my ears. Very good. Now, based on what I've asked and what we've sing, what we've sung lately, what do you think is our topic for today? Yes? Okay, very good. It's about senses. So, for grade 1, do you know already what are the 5 senses of the body? Okay. For grade 2, can you recall what are the 5 senses of the body? Okay, very good. We have sense of sight. Next, sense of smell. Next, sense of touch. Very good. Next, sense of taste. Next, sense of hearing. Okay. So for grade 3, since you know already what are the 5 senses of the body, did you know already what are the parts of the eyes? Okay. So we will proceed now to our lesson, which is the 5 senses of the body and their functions. So we have 5 senses of the body. The first is the sight. When we say sight, what do you think is the sense organ that we use, that we will use? So, the sense organ that we use for sight is our eyes. Where is your eyes? Okay, very good. So, sight refers to vision or the ability to see. So, this is the sight. The next one is the hearing. What is the sense organ that we use for hearing? Okay. The sense organ that we use for hearing is our ears. Ears. Okay. So where is your ears? Okay, very good. So hearing refers to our ability to perceive sounds. So for example, if the dog is barking and you heard it, so what sense organ did you use to hear that sound of the dog? Okay, we use our ears. Okay, very good. So the next one is the the smell. So the sense organ that we use for smell is our nose. Where's your nose? Okay, very good. So smell means to perceive the odor or scent through stimuli affecting the olfactory nerves. Okay, if I smell this flower, what sense organ did I use? It's the nose. Okay, very good. So the next is we have the taste. Okay. So the sense organ that we use for taste is our tongue. Can you show me your tongue? Okay, very good. So taste, we only have one tongue by which we perceive various tastes like sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. For example, if your mom cooks an egg and she accidentally put so much salt, so it will result into a salty egg, right? If you drink medicine, what is the taste of it? Yeah, some of the medicines taste bitter. Do you like the bitter taste? The next one is the next and the last sense of the body is the touch. Okay? So the sense organ that we use for touch is the skin or our hands. Okay? So using our touch, we can tell if something is hot or cold and rough or smooth. For example, if I touch this paper, is it rough or smooth? Since I am the one who is touching it, so I can say that this paper is smooth. Am I clear? Okay, very good. So for grade 3, our topic for today is about what do you think is our topic for today? It's about the parts of the eyes. Again, where is your eyes? Can you point it? Okay, very good. So, we have 7 parts of the eyes. We have here the cornea, pupil, lens, iris, sclera, retina, and optic nerve. So when we say cornea, the cornea is the front layer of your eye. So this is the cornea. Can you see it? Children at the back, can you see it? Okay, very good. So the next one is the pupil. So grade 3, can you read this one? Okay, very good. The pupil is the black dot in the center of your eye that acts as a gateway for light. So this is the pupil, the black dot that we can see in our eyes. Okay, look at the eyes of your classmate. Can you see the pupil of his or her eyes? Okay, very good. Next is we have the iris. The iris is typically referred to as your eye color. So the iris is this one, this part here. Okay? Can you see it? Okay, very good. The next part is we have the lens. So this is the lens. Okay? This one is the lens. So the lens is behind the iris and the pupil. So this is the iris and this is the pupil. So it says that it is behind the iris and the pupil. Okay? The next is the retina. So retina is a layer of tissue that transforms the light coming into your eye into electrical signals. So it is the tissue. It says that it is a tissue that transforms the light. Okay? Am I clear? The next is the sclera. Sclera is the part of the eye that is commonly known as the white. So this is the sclera. Can you see the white part of the eye of your classmate? Okay, very good. So the last part is the optic nerve. So the optic nerve is the part, this is the part of your vision, works as the connecting element between the retina and the brain. So this is the optic nerve and this is the retina. So the function of this optic nerve, it connects the retina and the brain. Okay, did you get it? Okay, since we already know what are the parts of the eyes, I want you to answer this one. Grade 1 and grade 2 eyes here. Okay, if I smell this flower, what sense organ will I use? Very good, it's the nose. If I listen to music, what sense organ did I use? It's the ears. Very good. So, if you touch your face, try to touch your face. If you touch your face, what sense organ did you use? It's your skin or your hands. If you eat some sweet chocolates, what sense organ will you use? It's the tongue. Okay, very good. If I look at my hands, what sense organ did I use? It's the eyes. Okay. Class, try to imagine if we do not have eyes. What will happen to us? Yes, Janelle? Okay, very good. We cannot see. If we do not have ears. Yes, Ruchel? Very good. We cannot hear. So, these five senses is really important for us because we cannot see, we cannot smell, we cannot taste, we cannot hear if we do not have these five senses. Am I clear? Okay, very good. So, again, grade 1, what are the five senses of the body? We have the sense of sight, touch, smell, hearing, and taste. Very good. So, for grade 2, what is the function of ears? Very good. The function of ears is to hear. What is the function of your eyes? The function of your eyes is to see. Very good. So, what is the function of your hands or your skin? The function of it is to touch. Okay? What about the function of your nose? The function of your nose is to smell. What about the function of your tongue? Where's your tongue? Okay, very good. The function of your tongue is to taste. Okay. So, for the grade 3, what are the parts of the eyes? We have the cornea. Next, pupil. Another one, iris, lens, retina, optic nerve, and sclera. Very good. So now, I will give you an activity and I want you to answer this for 20 minutes. Okay? Okay, are you done? Please pass your papers in front. And that would be all for today. Thank you and goodbye.